Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am super excited, my friends. I am doing another collaboration with Pandahall Selected. If you have been watching me for a little bit, then you will know that I have collaborated with this company in the past. I've always had a positive experience with them, and so anytime they reach out to me, you know, asking me to partner with them on another collab, I'm good to go because they are a great company. They're always reliable. My items arrive promptly. I don't ever have any problems. The quality is good. It's just an all-around positive experience. So I love working with them. The products I selected this time will be linked down below together with a coupon code. There will also be links to the different social media sites for Pandahall Selected. And if you are into crafting supplies that are reasonably priced, then definitely go check them out. I decided to order some velvet sticky back paper or sticky back velvet. I forget the exact name, and some glass bead chains. And these were ordered with particular projects in mind, and I'm really excited about the velvet because I have been wanting to incorporate velvet and the texture of velvet in my projects for a long time, and I finally decided to just jump in and do it. So let's start with the chains. These are glass bead chains. They come in this great sturdy plastic container. When they arrive, they are individually wrapped, which I so appreciate because I don't have to worry about all of the chains getting tangled up. I believe they have different color variations of this set. I will share with you the variation that I selected because the colors are in, you know, they work with my aesthetic. The chains are really long. They're over 30 inches long. Over 35. I think they're closer to 40 inches, and it's a nice lightweight chain. I love these because they give you a head start when making embellishments for your journals or other projects. I love using these types of chains to create danglies when I'm not in the mood to fuss with pliers, jump rings, and my own collection of beads. This is like instant dangly. All I have to do is just separate the links and make it smaller. Add any charms that I may want to add that just work with the theme of whatever particular project I'm working with. I also use these to make jewelry for the spine of my journals, and I thought I would pull an example of what I'm talking about. Here is my bird journal that I completed not too long ago, and here is the spine of that journal, which is adorned with this awesome metal chain that has glass beads on it. And all I did was take a glass bead chain, fold it a couple of times, add a large charm to the bottom of it, and it was like instant jewelry for my journals, and it was super easy. This particular style right here I got from a different company long time ago. I finally used up all of the materials and supplies I got from that company, and so decided to try these with Pandahall Selected. You get 5 styles or 5 colors, 2 of each, so that's nice, right? I said 10. I hope I said 10 chains. So I'll show you. Here's a close-up of the colors that I chose. There's this really pretty silver chain with clear beads, really pretty. There is a silver chain with these blue beads, kind of sky blue. There is this bronzy chain with black beads. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Then I have this silver chain with like this smoky bead, kind of grayish. I love that. I don't know that the camera's going to pick it up. And then there's this silver chain with a purple or kind of amethyst, smoky amethyst maybe, color bead on it. Really pretty. I'm super excited to have these in my stash, and I will definitely be incorporating them in future projects for sure. Now, what I'm most excited about is this sticky back velvet. Love this. I love the texture of velvet. I've been wanting to play with velvet for a little bit, so I was super happy when I saw they had these sticky back sheets. You do get a pack. I think you have options of colors, or you can get a variety or a multi-pack. I opted for a multi-pack just because I wanted the wide range of colors. And I will flip through this slowly so that you can see the selection of colors, and it feels so nice. You can see the release paper on the back, and it comes off really easily. Feels sticky. So I haven't played with it yet, but I'm very much looking forward to it. Look at this beautiful brown. So pretty. It arrives in a plastic, what do they call those? Oh my gosh. It's in plastic, in a hard plastic shell. That's the word I'm looking for. My goodness, I lost the word there. It arrives packaged in a hard plastic shell. I will tell you, my mailman, he did a mean thing. He shoved it into my mailbox, and he pretty much folded it in half to do that. So he mangled the package, and he also creased some of my felt. So I was kind of bummed about that. A little disappointed with my mail person. You're so mean. But I get it. You know, he didn't want to walk up my driveway. It's a pretty long driveway. Must not have been the regular postal person, because he usually walks up my driveway. He likes saying hello and saying hi to my dog and leaves my dog's treat. But whoever this person was, they said nope, and they just shoved it into the box. So if it looks a little wrinkly and has some creases, not the fault of the company, very much the fault of my mailman, who thought it was okay to shove a super huge plastic shell into a tiny little mailbox. That wasn't cool. But the colors are awesome. I can't wait to start playing with them. Each sheet measures approximately 11.5. It's actually closer to 11.75 by 7.75, just over 7.75. It's not super thick, which I like, because the projects I have in mind are projects that I don't want to add a lot of bulk to. So the fact that they're thin like this is ideal for me. The colors are nice, rich colors. There were 2 sheets in here that I was like, what's going on with? So I just want to point that out, just because I like always to be 100% transparent when I'm collaborating with any company. So there's this orange sheet. The orange sheet, for whatever reason, and I'll show you, was shorter than the other sheets in the pack. I'm not sure if that's just, you know, a defect in this particular package or what the deal is, but, you know, it's not a deal breaker for me, and quite honestly don't mind, because this particular orange is probably one of my least favorites in the pack, and there's still plenty here to work with. So just wanted to point that out. And then this one sheet right here really has me confused, because it doesn't feel like velvet at all. It feels more like foam. So again, I'm not sure what that's all about, and I'm not too upset about it either, because the brown, the chocolate brown I was hoping to get is here. So I'm not sure what this is all about, but I just wanted to point that out just because it's, you know, I'm going to always be 100% transparent and truthful anytime I do a collaboration with any company, whether they like it or not. So that is my share. I just got these 2 items. That's it. Definitely be on the lookout for future videos sharing these products and my experience with them. If you are new to my channel and you are not subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you as part of my crafty family. And if you were entertained, if you're curious, if you want to know more, if you like this video, then please, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. That type of interaction with my channel really does go a long way to helping my channel to grow. Thank you, my friends. I so appreciate you. I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.